Hi, my name is Valerio and I am here to show you the new Coldtainer F0760 autonomous operation model. This specific mobile refrigeration unit has been designed to transport temperature-sensitive pharmaceutical products. This model has very special features. For example, these handles mounted on the front door and the wheels mounted on the base in order to make it very handy and to easily move it inside of a warehouse or, for example, inside a van. Another special feature of this model is the locking system. As you can see here, we have this push handle with this very strong bar, which has two locking points, one on the top of the container and one on the bottom of the container. It has also a door lock in order to avoid the access to unauthorized people to the inside of the container. So I'll show you how to open this, which is very easy. And the features inside of this container. The first thing we notice inside the container is that it is molded in one single piece. That makes it very robust but also very efficient from a thermal point of view. And in order to make it efficient from this point of view, it has also this plastic strip curtain that allows to maintain the cold air inside of it even if the door is open, like now. Another fundamental feature of this model, the NDH, is that steel box inside. That is a PTC heater, an air-to-air heat exchanger that allows to maintain a positive temperature up to plus 30 Celsius degrees, even if outside is freezing cold. This unit has its own fan on the bottom and an adding fan on the left side of the box, this one. This allows to maintain inside a constant, very smooth airflow, so not to have only the hot air on the top of the container and a lower temperature on the bottom of it. And now I will show you how to use the Coldtainer. The first thing to do to make the Coldtainer work is to put the main switch, which is the red button you will find on the right side of the Coldtainer, on the position on, like this. The second thing to do is to turn on the switch that you will find on the front side of the Coldtainer, next to the display. You will find it under its protection cover. Then you will have to wait until you will see the temperature detected by the internal probe. And so now you can change the temperature as desired using the set button. So if you want to increase it, you will have to use the up arrow and you can go up to plus 30 degrees with this model. If you want to decrease the temperature, you can use the down arrow and you can go down to plus 0 Celsius degrees with this specific model. On the left of the display you will find the battery voltage indicator. We strongly recommend to proceed to recharge the battery when you see that the green light is approaching the half of the display, and anyway after every use of the Coldtainer unit. This in order to maintain the battery's full efficiency. Charging the battery is very simple. You have to move the red main switch to on, then select the correct input voltage with the appropriate red button on the left of the charger, and move the black button to 1. Then insert the power plug into the battery charger and the plug of the charger into an AC outlet. Then wait until you see that the light becomes green. That means that the charging cycle is complete. Now I will explain you the battery replacement procedure, which is very easy to perform. The first thing you have to do is, of course, to switch off the Coldtainer unit. Then you have to remove any power supply from the unit. So now you can remove the backside metal cover which is fixed to it with some screws. And so you will have access to the backside of the Coldtainer. You will find the battery on the base of it. The first thing you have to do is to remove the cables connected to the negative and the positive pole of the battery, and then remove this metal fixing kit. Now you can remove the battery and change it with the new one. And that's it. I hope you have found all the information you needed about the Coldtainer in this short video. Thanks for watching and see you soon!